Do you want to know a secret? आपका resume might never reach a human recruiter. Surprised? But that's exactly what's happening today. AI is quietly deciding who gets shortlisted and who gets rejected before a recruiter even looks at your profile. And the worst part, you might be getting filtered out for reasons you don't even know. In this episode of Career Crafting Conversations, we are diving into how AI is changing hiring and आप क्या कर सकते हैं to make sure your resume doesn't disappear into the void. Namaste, I'm Preeti Durga and I've spent years guiding students from high school to their first job. And let me tell you, I've seen so many freshers send out resumes, wait for weeks and hear nothing. No response, na koi update, just silence. And trust me, it is frustrating. Agar you are a student or fresher wondering why your resume isn't getting noticed, this episode is for you. Let's decode what's really happening in the hiring process. कुछ साल पहले तक hiring used to be a human process. Recruiters personally scanning resumes, shortlisting candidates and making decisions. But आज AI is the first gatekeeper. Big companies receive thousands of applications and recruiters के पास time नहीं होता to go through all of them. So now AI-driven apps filter the resumes before a human even takes a look. I saw this firsthand with Shanti, a fresh graduate applying left, right and center but getting zero callbacks. When she came to us, we found out her resume wasn't AI friendly. It didn't match the preferred patterns that AI had been trained to select. Though it was getting rejected before a recruiter even saw it. That's when she realized she wasn't being overlooked because she wasn't qualified, but because she didn't know how AI was filtering applications. Do you think getting a job is all about grades, internships and skills? You're right, it should be. Lekin, AI has changed the game. Here's the thing, AI doesn't pick the best candidate. It picks the best match based on the patterns it's been trained to recognize. Agar your resume doesn't have the right keyword or structure, it might never even reach a recruiter. For example, let's say two equally talented candidates apply for the same job. Ek writes, led a team to increase sales. Lekin dusra writes, managed a sales team to boost revenue by 20%. AI is more likely to pick the second one. Kyun? Kyunki it has numbers and keywords that match what recruiters usually look for. The first one might never even get seen. And it's not just about keywords. AI also learns from past hiring data, which can create hidden biases. A Harvard study found that AI tended to favor masculine coded words like strong and competitive, which means some candidates unknowingly get an advantage just because of how the phrases were used. The bottom line, it's not just about being qualified anymore. It's about knowing how to speak AI language. So your resume actually gets seen. Now here's the good news. Your child doesn't have to lose out just because AI is filtering resumes. The key isn't just writing a resume, it's structuring it in a way that works with AI, not against it. Isliye, we use the AI Resume Fixer, a simple step-by-step action plan you and your child can start using today to make sure their resumes get past AI screening and lands on your recruiter's desk. No complicated tricks, na koi guesswork, just a smarter way to showcase real talent. With the right tweaks, your child's resume won't just get noticed, it'll finally open the doors to the opportunities they deserve. Let's make sure they get there. क्या आप सोच सकते हैं your child spends hours perfecting their resume, listing every achievement, carefully choosing the right words. They hit apply, full of hope, waiting for that interview call. And then silence. ना कोई email, ना कोई rejection, ना ही कोई feedback, just nothing. Days turn into weeks. At first, they'll brush it off. Maybe I wasn't the right fit. But as the silence stretches on, doubt starts creeping in. Was my resume not good enough? Shayad I don't have what it takes. Should I even bother applying anymore? Ek rejection, they can handle it. Lekin when it happens over and over without any explanation, it starts feeling personal. They stop seeing it as a broken system and start believing they are the problem. A Harvard Business Review study found that 88% of job seekers never hear back after applying, not because they weren't good enough, but because AI made the decision for them. No feedback, no second chance. Just a closed door they never saw coming. Can you even think of what this does to a student's confidence? They start shrinking their dreams, not because they aren't capable, but because rejection without reason makes them question their own worth. Instead of aiming for their dream job, they start applying for any available options in desperation to be employed. They stop pushing themselves. This isn't just about getting a job. It's about how an opaque AI-driven hiring system is breaking young people's confidence before they even start their careers. And the worst part, they'll never even know it wasn't their fault. But here's the thing, this isn't a hopeless situation. There are ways to beat the system without fighting it. Now that we have uncovered how AI works, let's focus on exactly how to make your child's resume AI-proof in 4 simple steps. Actually, fixing this is easier than what most of them may think. Let's break it down into a simple 4-step process to make sure your child's resume gets noticed. First, understand and learn to speak the AI language. Yes, you heard it right. AI doesn't read resumes like humans. It scans for specific keywords. Agar those words aren't there, the resume stays invisible. The trick? Take the job description that you're going to be applying for and look for repeated words, especially the skills, the softwares, and the qualifications. These words need to be in the resume, particularly in the skills and work experience section. It's not about stuffing them in randomly, but naturally incorporating them where they make sense. Jaise, if a marketing intern job description mentions content creation and SEO, but the resume only says blog writing, AI might miss it. Small tweaks like this can make a huge difference. Next, keep the resume simple. AI hates fancy designs. Okay? If a resume has columns, graphics or tables, the system might just skip it because it gets lazy. The safest bet, stick to a clean 1-column format with standard fonts, okay, and bulleting. And while creating sections, names like, the titles, like my professional journey, might sound very cool, but AI doesn't care. Stick to the basic, right? Like work experience, education skills, and certifications. Also, PDF might seem professional, but unless a job description specifically asks for it, बेहतर है to submit resumes in a doc format. Kuch AI systems don't read PDF properly. Think of AI like an old school examiner. It just wants a neat answer sheet, not an elaborate scrapbook. Okay? Here's the step most people skip. Testing the resume before sending it. Imagine writing an exam but never checking your answers before submitting it. That's exactly what happens when people send in resumes without running them through an ATS scanner first. Free tools like JobScan, Resume Worded, or resume.com can show if the resume has the right keywords, whether the formatting is AI friendly, and how well it matches the job description. If the score is low, it's time to tweak, retest, and then apply. And finally, do a last-minute check before hitting submit button. The resume should match at least 80% of the job description keywords, be free from typos, and stay clear of any unnecessary details. AI might be the first filter, but once it gets past that, it still needs to make an impact on the recruiter, isn't it? Here's the bottom line. Don't let AI ghost your child. This isn't about luck. It's about understanding how the system works and making small but powerful changes that gets real results. With this process, their resumes won't just be seen, it'll stand out. Acha, now take a deep breath. Settle yourself somewhere quickly. Close your eyes just for a second. And I want you to imagine this. आपका बच्चा just hit a submit button on a job application. No more wondering if their resume will ever be seen. Days pass and then ding! एक notification. You have been shortlisted for your first round. They call you, excitement buzzing in their voice. Mama, Papa, मुझे interview call आ गया. No more frustration, no more confusion. सिर्फ confidence. क्योंकि this time their resume didn't disappear into the black hole. It worked. Fast forward a little. They walk into the interview room or log into a Zoom call knowing they already passed the first test. The AI system picked them. And that means they belong here. Ab, picture their first day at work, naya laptop, ID card, that nervous but excited smile as they take their first step into their professional world. It feels amazing, right? That's the power of an AI-friendly resume. So the next time they apply for a job, imagine them walking straight through the door because now nothing can stop them. ध्यान रखें, the hiring game is changing fast. Every day talented students are missing out on opportunities, not because they aren't skilled, but because AI isn't even giving their resume a chance. That's where the AI resume fixer comes in. This simple step-by-step guide ensures that AI picks your resume, not skips it. In just 10 minutes, you can run your resume through an AI screening tool and make the right adjustment to increase your chances of getting noticed. Follow the steps on the screen to download your free AI resume fixer today. And if you're still unsure about which career path is right for you, then join our Career Compass Masterclass, where we'll help you gain career clarity and choose the path that fits you best. Through this video, मेरा goal simple है, to help students and parents understand how AI is reshaping the hiring process. It is important for everyone to know why a well-structured resume is no longer optional but essential. We want to ensure that talented individuals don't miss out on great opportunities simply because their resume isn't AI friendly. Let's log this with a quick affirmation together. Say it with me. I want you to say this, okay? Say it loud. I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. Repeat this to yourself as often as possible. Kyunki when we believe in the right steps and take action, we create real opportunities. And trust me, the right job is out there. It just needs the right resume to get through the door. I'm Preeti Durga and I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. See you in my next episode.